Hey y'all, look what's blooming. I'm so excited. It's my Confederate Rose Hibiscus. The blooms aren't as big this year as they normally are. Normally, they're twice as big. But they're still pretty big. I'm gonna have a bunch of them this year too, even though the darn thing froze this winter, which, as most of you know, is unusual outside of Houston. But I'm just glad to see that it's coming back and doing so well. I harvest the seeds every year and could grow 100 more of these. I've already started some seeds to grow a couple more in the yard. This one's at least 12 feet tall, even though it froze to the ground. So 12 feet growth in 1 year, you can tell it grows really fast. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll show it again in a week or so when all these blooms have opened.